Good morning, this is Jorge with Vintage European. Here we have a 1978 528i, otherwise known as the E12. This is a 2.8 straight six with a 4-speed manual gearbox, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power sunroof, manual windows, manual locks. This is a full European version, as you can see, with the bumpers and the front fenders and the rear bumper and the rear quarter panel. This car has been parked here for a couple of days. It's a little bit dirty because it's been raining, and we're gonna do a cold start on it, and then I will be driving this car to Agua Chica Cesar and then to Cartagena, Bolivar, where it will be embarked and then sent to Houston, Texas. So let's go ahead and do a cold start on this car. We put brand new hand coupe tires in recent alignment. We'll be posting more videos as our trip goes by and as we head our car to export and then once to auction. Hope you guys liked it. Talk to you guys later.